All right, here is yesterday's painting dry. It turned out better than I expected, honestly. We are back with day 5 of 30 paintings in 30 days. Today we will be trying out this iridescent acrylic paint by Nick Pro. There's 12 colors in here for us to choose from. Let's just recreate the first painting. So let's do the red, white, and black. Came with a seal cap, so I had to take the cap off. Ooh, look at that. So let's take all the caps out first. That's the white. Here's red. I'm gonna put some in this cup. So I'm mixing this paint with Floetrol. But what I am going to do, because I didn't mix that much of these colors, I am going to put down a white base that's from this is white metallic with Floetrol. That has some bubbles in it that I need to pop. It's like, don't tell me I'm hurry up. I'm going to do a puddle pour. So let's go with the black first. So all of these is the Nick Pro paints. Only the base white is my mixture. I remember when I said that I think my table isn't even because it has a tendency to flow to one side. All right, so I'm seeing a lot of bubbles, so we're gonna torch it. All right, so this is the painting with the Nick Pro paint. So we'll see how it dries down. So this is the iridescent acrylic paint that I used, my first time using this paint. So let's go in for a close-up. Hi everyone, I am LaJoy with the Color Office, and if you enjoyed this painting, please like and subscribe. I am trying to work my way to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and help me get there. Hope you enjoy the painting. Stay colorful.